Southern Gardening has been here from the beginning, highlighting producer Tim's mailbox garden. Let's take a look at what he's growing this year. Some of my favorites are the coneflowers in this bed. These tall stems display the 2 to 4 inch blooms of bright purple petals and dark center cones. These have been reliable perennials for Tim. I've always loved the bright flowers of Shasta Daisies. The bright white petals and the cheery yellow center cones are held high on the ends of 24 to 36 inch stems. A plant that I'm also growing is Rockin Deep Purple salvia. I love the color contrast between the deep dark purple flowers and black calyx and stems. I'm impressed with the accidental combination of the Indian summer rudbeckia and bright redhead and rusty Colorblaze coleus. Melampodium Million Gold profusely produces 1/2 inch golden yellow flowers in hot and humid Mississippi. These easy-to-grow plants make fantastic border plants, especially with the spreading coleus randomly poking out. And to top off the planting, the Cranberry Crush hardy hibiscus is the perfect accent. The huge 7 to 8 inch red blooms are stunning. But this year, the garden doesn't stop at the mailbox. In a planter near the house, there's a cascading mass planting of Vista Bubblegum and Vista Silverberry Supertunias. Having a mix of perennials and adding colorful annuals is key to keeping your planting bed looking good year after year. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.